Finger family.
Welcome to the Finger family. I'm the Mummy Finger. Chocolate cake is an all-time favorite for many of us. This chocolate cake is moist and a treat for all the chocolate lovers. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the dry ingredients first. In a bowl, add 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour. Always sift to avoid lumps. Add 3/4 cup of cocoa, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Mix the dry ingredients together. In a mixer, add 2 eggs, beat them well. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or vanilla sugar. Add 2 cups of sugar and beat well. Add 1 cup of milk, half cup of oil and beat well for a few minutes. Now let's add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. Mix at low speed. Add a cup of boiling water and mix well. The batter will be very watery now. Grease 2 24 cm baking pans with butter and place a baking paper at the bottom of the pan. Pour the batter equally into the 2 pans. Bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. Check if the cakes are baked properly using a toothpick or a knife. Allow them to cool for some time before mounting the cakes. In a mixer, add 1 cup of butter at room temperature and beat till soft. Add 2 cups of powdered sugar and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 1 1/2 cups of cocoa powder and mix well. Add 2/3 cup of milk and mix for some time till all the ingredients are well mixed and forms a soft creamy consistency. Let's start mounting the cakes. Place 1 cake on a plate. Apply the chocolate buttercream frosting gently and evenly, covering the entire cake surface. Place the second cake above and similarly apply the frosting on the top and then on the sides of the cake. Remove the excess frosting on the sides and top. Decorate the cake with the chocolate buttercream frosting with the desired design. Wash few fresh strawberries. Do not remove the green sepals in the strawberry. Hold the strawberry on a cutting board or any flat surface with the green sepals down. From the middle of the strawberry, make a thin slice downwards using a knife. The lower part of the slice should still be intact. Turn the strawberry slowly around and keep making thin slices. Using the knife, slightly widen the thin slices to form the outer layer of rose petals. Insert the knife in the side of the strawberry and start carving in a circle towards the center. Remove the small piece from the center. Widen the carved portion using the knife to look like petals. Yummy, moist chocolate cake is ready.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below.